Our next presenter is Erin Macartney, who asked the question, is your fad diet affecting your sperm?
I'm sure you've all heard that eating enough protein and calories is good for building a strong body. Take Arnold Schwarzenegger, for example. I'm sure he's eaten a fair few protein bars in his time. But have you thought about his sperm? Well, I'm here to tell you, it's probably pretty good. Now, this may seem like a weird connection to make, but the food we eat is really important for lots of different parts of our health. And not just our health, but all animals on this planet. For example, picture two foxes. One fox lives near a chicken coop and is able to eat lots of eggs. And the other fox lives in the middle of nowhere and really struggles to find food. Well, the fox that is able to eat lots of eggs is going to have a lot more energy to invest in other foxy activities, like reproducing. And what's a really important part of being able to reproduce? Making sperm. So for my PhD, I asked the question, how does male diet affect sperm? And this is really important because sperm were previously thought to be so easy to make that the energy gained from diet wouldn't affect them. But we now know that sperm aren't actually that easy to make. So if males don't get enough nutrients in their diet, this could have really bad effects on their sperm. So during my PhD, I combined published data across 53 species, ranging from insects to primates, and asked how different parts of their diet affect their sperm. And through this, I found that males that don't eat enough protein or calories have fewer sperm, slower swimming sperm, and shorter-lived sperm compared to males that ate enough protein and calories. And unfortunately, for those males that have fewer, slower, and shorter-lived sperm, it means they'll be less able to fertilize eggs and produce offspring, which in the evolutionary terms is a big deal because it means they won't be able to pass on their genes to the next generation. So going back to Arnold Schwarzenegger, he does have 5 kids, so maybe those protein bars were good for more than just his muscles.